Guys, what's up? In this video I will show you how to use Gauth AI software. Today I will show you how to use it easy and quick. So let's start. So download Gauth from Play Store or App Store. As you know, Gauth is a software or AI software that can help you for many things, like on your homework. Actually, it will give you some advantage. So how to use it? As you see right now, I open my Gauth app like this. They told me to give permission to my camera. How to use it is general right now. For example, I want to translate my book here. It's on French. So I want to translate it to English. What I have to do now, I will click here and it will generate. And right now, guys, as you see, it translates my book to my to English, as you can see here. So you can use it in a different way in math if you wanna calculate something in history, in physics, chemistry, literature, anything that you want, guys. That this software, it will help you a lot for your homework. So that's it. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.